Hi there, I'm Barry Callister of Barry Callister Photography and Photographer's Freedom, giving you the time, gear and skills to be the best photographer you can be. Welcome to my kitchen. I'm just standing here making a toasted sandwich and I thought I'll do a bit of an update video about what's going on in the world of Photographer's Freedom. So this video is for my subscribers mainly, so if you're not a subscriber, maybe you want to stick around, maybe you don't. Or you might want to just subscribe and then this will make sense to you. So what I've been doing in the past with Photographer's Freedom and this YouTube channel is sort of concentrating more on photography skills and with a little bit of sort of photography business advice thrown in. But what I want to move towards now with my YouTube channel and photographersfreedom.com is more photography business advice and helping people to start or build or grow successful photography businesses online, specifically online. I'm not talking about starting a wedding photography business or starting a pet photography business or a portrait photography business, because with COVID-19, a lot of businesses are having to move online and there's real opportunity there. There is fantastic opportunity there to build a photography business online that can bring in money 24 hours a day while you are out taking photos of whatever the heck you want to take photos of. So this is going to be my focus from now on. I'm still going to add in the photography how-tos because they are important as well. They're important to build the skills of those of you who may not be as good at photography as you want to be. You might think that you need to be a little bit better for your business to be successful. That's fine. I'm still going to do the tutorials, but I'm going to start putting in a lot more photography business stuff. So I hope that excites you. If you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please subscribe if that does sound good to you, and hit the like button too while you're at it. Now, next week, I'm working on a video at the moment. It might come out next week. It might be the week after. It depends. What I want to do from now on is give you guys the best content that I possibly can. And if that, excuse me, I just got to check my toasted sandwich here. Well, that's looking good. So what I want to do is give you guys the best possible content that I can. And the truth is that's just going to take time. I don't have the time to release a video each week and have it be top-notch content, because the filming, the editing, the scripting, all of this, creating the thumbnails for the video, everything takes a lot of time. And I'm also running 2 businesses and running 2 blogs at the moment. So there's going to be gaps in my video content, and I apologize for that, but it just is what it is. But when I do bring out a video, it's going to be quality. You're going to be getting the quality. So what I'm working on for either next week or the week after is starting a photography business in 2020, moving to 2021. And what I'm going to do is a whole series of videos on that. The first one is going to be about choosing a photography business name. And I'm going to teach you to do this, not just on the fly off the top of your head. I'm starting a pet photography business, so I'm going to call it Pet Shots 101, right? It's going to be, I'm going to show you how to do it the right way so that, your customers can see your photography name and know exactly what you do. Google can see your photography name and serve it up to the people who want what you do, and your business can be more successful. We're going to talk about naming your photography business from an SEO perspective, so from a search engine optimization perspective. So getting it found in search results and getting you more money and more business. Toasted sandwich. Now, that's what the video is going to be about. So like I say, it may be out next week, it may not. I'm a very busy man and I'm trying my best to get it to you when I can, but I want it to be right. So if you've got any questions or comments, pop them in the comments section below. There's links down in the video description to sign up to my mailing list if you want to sign up to my email list and get updates and blog posts and how-tos and business advice. And also down there, I've put a link to the Photographers Freed Facebook group. Photographers Freed is what I affectionately call my tribe in a sense. This is a place on Facebook, a group on Facebook where photography business owners or those who want to start photography businesses can talk and help each other and support each other and get answers to problems or questions that they may have. It's a really supportive environment. I'm trying to build the best supportive environment of people dedicated to others' success is what I'm trying to build. So if that sounds like you, there's a link in the video description to that. Go and click it, go to the group, answer the questions, check out the group because it's going to be fantastic. It's in its infancy now, but the more of you that sign up, the better it's going to be. Until next time, I'm Barry Callister of Barry Callister Photography and Photographer's Freedom. Get out there, take some wicked shots, and I'll see you soon after I've had my sandwich. Bye.